This is Justin Brock, and these are my top 7 YouTube videos. Little John remix, cooking by the book. It's just some stupid video. It's so funny.
By the book, then you'll have.
Bring it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Shut that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up. Bring it down.
John Cardiel's part in Sight Unseen. That's my favorite video part of all time, so that's why that one's in there. John's the man. All hail Cardiel.
So them deceive them, but you must break it down, go down. Anytime you would suffocate.
Women falling. It's just completely ridiculous. Just chicks eating shit. It's pretty funny. Modus Operandi, Mike Carroll's part from Modus. It's sick. Heath Kirchhardt's part from Sight Unseen. That's just fucking epic part. I like that. I like the back nosebone he does on the square rail at, what's the UCI place? That was sick.
Just what the truth is, I can't say anymore.
This is for my wife, the ultimate dog tease. It's like this dog and the guy's talking over, the dog's like moving his mouth or whatever, and the guy's talking about getting bacon out of the refrigerator and eating it, and the dog like yawns and gets all bummed. I don't know, it's just funny.
What was in there?
Well, I'll tell you what was in there. You know that bacon that's like maple? It's got maple flavor.
The maple kind, yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I took that out.
Family Feud bloopers. They're all good.
Cat.
Something you squeeze.
Peanut butter. Sorry.